Miscarriage Moms for Life presents this morning moment. Right to privacy. Do Americans have a constitutional right to privacy? The Fourth Amendment states the right of the people to be secure in their persons, houses, papers, and effects against unreasonable searches and seizures shall not be violated, and no warrants shall issue but upon probable cause, supported by oath or affirmation, and particularly describing the place to be searched and the persons or things to be seized. But does that right also protect a person's privacy when a crime occurs in the home? A total of over 89% of family violence crimes committed by state prison inmates occurred at home. And over 94% of family violence crimes against children occur at home. How could the victims receive justice if the offenders simply assert their right to privacy in their homes? With over 60% of children victimized in their homes being under 13 years old, should not they be protected more than the offender? And should a right to privacy protect the offender when a murder occurs in the home? Should family members get away with murder or other violent attacks in order to protect the right to privacy? Should we ignore the fact that females do indeed commit violent crimes against their family members and intimate partners? Whereas convicted males are almost as likely to be violent with family as with strangers, females are over twice as likely to be violent with family than with strangers. Should one human being have the right to do violence against another human being as long as it is within the privacy of his or her own home? Should any female be allowed to do violence against her family members as long as it is within the privacy of her own home? Is the right to privacy really meant to prevent violent acts from being investigated? Or is the right to privacy only meant to prevent violent acts performed by females from being investigated? Isn't that what abortion rights advocates are essentially arguing for? To allow women to continue to legally murder their innocent children, whether in the privacy of their own homes or whether under the guise of HIPAA privacy laws for mislabeled medical care? While other parties may get involved, the two parties involved in every abortion are the mother and the preborn child. Killing a person who does not want to die and who has not committed a capital offense is regarded as murder. Preborn children do not give their consent to be murdered. And should the only other party who is always involved in the abortion never, under any circumstance, even be questioned regarding the murder of the innocent party? Answers can become much clearer when the fog of confusion surrounding what is really at stake is lifted. Certain crimes, particularly against humanity, are crimes, even if current laws do not recognize them as such. Even the Holocaust was legal in Nazi Germany. Human beings are persons from the point of fertilization onward. Parents who have lost children in miscarriage or stillbirth know that that baby was their child from the moment their DNA was knit together. That moment is clearly seen in the spark of life. Killing a human being that has been denied the right to life, due process, and equal protection, and has committed no crime worthy of a death penalty is unconstitutional and illegal, whether man's laws recognize it or not. Not evaluating the role of the other 100% party to a crime opens the door to denying justice to the deceased and encouraging future criminal activities. The constitutional right to privacy is not designed to usurp the constitutional right to life, nor is it designed to shield individuals from the possibility of prosecution in murder cases. Yet the right to privacy is valuable for patients who may undergo treatments that are not known nor desired for resulting in the death of an innocent human person. As abortion is known and desired for resulting in the death of an innocent human person, abortion is neither legitimate women's health care, nor is it something to be protected by a righteous understanding of the constitutional right to privacy. Learn to value the gifts our Creator Elohim gives us, including His instructions, and seek the righteousness of God and the truth which makes us free. This is Tiffany Matthews with your Morning Moment. Until next time, may the God of peace comfort your heart, soul, and spirit. Choose love. Choose life. God bless.